right, today we're gonna bring a beautiful scone. It looks like a crystal ball pretty much. In the center you got the LED light, and there's an actual crystal right in the middle that's going to reflect a good ambiance to any location you can. All right, you want to set this up. All right, now included they give you the actual screws, the instructions, and how to mount this, because this is very simple. All right, you're going to need 3 cables. All right, you're going to need neutral, which is the white cable. You're going to need a hot, which is the live cable, which is the black one, and then this is actually ground cable. All right, so to set it up, you got to make sure you have a strong backing, because this has a little weight and you don't want to break it. It's perfect for any kind of entrance, any location you want to you set this up. It looks beautiful on any kind of wall. So in order to remove it from the actual base from here, you need to unscrew these 2 ends here and then mount it to the drill them to the wall. Make sure it's parallel to the actual system. Make sure it's not crooked. That's one thing you got to make sure when you're putting these up. So let's set it up and see how it looks. All right, here's the actual scone. It looks beautiful. The ambiance is going to give it a beautiful ambiance to any location that you can set this up. Now, if you're a designer or you're looking for a proper light, so just put this one. It's a nice soft little light that you could have on an entrance. You could have 2 of them side by side, or you could have these in ceilings instead of walls, pretty much anywhere. Bathroom fixtures, hallway fixtures, and entrances. It's going to last you for many years. So out of the box, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.